Loomy the troll had a terrible cold. With sniffles and blankets he moaned, "I'm doomed, I'm turning green." The brave girl sighed, "Don't make a scene." "I'll cook you soup," she struck a pose, and nearly sneezed into her toes. She grabbed a pot and mystery beans, then added jam and turnip greens. The pot went pop and danced in place, while steam shot out like outer space. She cried, "Oh no, it's boiling weird," then ducked as something singed her hair. But just before the pot could blow, a shimmer sparked from head to toe. Loomy the sprite zipped through the air, with glowing eyes and leaves in her hair. Is that a soup or potion wrong? She giggled with a sparkly glee. The brave girl groaned, "I tried my best." But soup's a wild, chaotic beast. "No fear," said Loomy, "I've got flair. My soups heal any soul, so let's quest together." She summoned herbs that spun and gleamed, and stirred with magic that softly beamed. They watched the bubbles rise and swirl, with carrots shaped like tiny pearls. The brave girl gasped, "It smells like cheer." Loomy said, "Add love, then soup appears." With bowls in hand and laughter, they fed Timmy through the chilly night. He slurped and sniffed, then gave a shout, "This soup just defeated my cold." So if you cook and things explode and soups begin to scream, just call on Loomy, bright and warm. She'll save your dish with magic and flair.